If you want to change the world, start by making your bed. And that's exactly what we're going to do on day 15 of the Fly Lady 31 Baby Step Challenge. Today, we're going to go into our bedrooms and make our bed. And we're going to do that every single morning moving forward. So be sure to add that to our morning routine habits. We have been stacking so many habits. In the morning so far, we have dressing to shoes, saying kind words to ourselves and others, a 2-minute hotspot, a 5-minute room rescue, a 15-minute declutter, a 15-minute rest, checking our calendars, and now making our bed. And in the evening, we have picking out our clothes, saying kind words to one another, a 2-minute hotspot, a 5-minute room rescue. These are optional, by the way. Just put them wherever works for you, in the morning, in the evening, and also the 15-minute rest, again, morning or evening, whatever works best for you, and checking our calendars. Tomorrow it's Saturday, the weekend. So you know what that means. We're not going to add anything new. We're just going to maintain our habits. And I'll see you Monday on day 16 of the Fly Ladies 31 Baby Step Challenge. This is so exciting. Have a great time your weekend with your family. Do something fun. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.